we're back in Agawam today. We are at 25 Damato Way. It's Brad, the mortgage guy, and this is your local look. Liz is inside. She's going to tell us all about it. All right, so tell us about what we got. How many houses we got available here?
4 are available, 2 are sold, 1 more is in the process of being built.
I love it. All right, why don't you show us around this place?
Sure, let's go.
All right, we start here in the kitchen with this enormous island. I love islands for entertaining. And then we're moving on to the dining room, it looks like here.
Yeah, there's wainscoting in the dining room.
We have here the garage right off the kitchen.
Yep, a 2-car garage. The half bath is right here, and then we can walk on over to the first floor office.
Ooh, I love the office on the first floor. And this first floor circles right back around where we started at the gas fireplace to the enormous living room. All right, let's head on upstairs. How many bedrooms do we have up here?
This one has 4 bedrooms and a super unique, ginormous main bedroom.
Right in the middle of all these bedrooms, we have the laundry room, it looks like. And then we have our full bath up here on our way to the primary bedroom.
Yeah, it's great with the beautiful main bath that has the closet right off the bath, which is very cool.
You've got to come down the Damato Way, check out these properties, hit Liz up. She'd love to show you around. It's Brad, the mortgage guy, and this has been your local look. See you next time, Agawam.